Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we just went on to the DJI site, and it looks like something is going to be launched on April the 27th at 9:30 p.m. So we're looking at 12 days, 10 hours and 10 minutes before this announcement is coming. Is this going to be the Mavic Air 2? Or is this going to be just a new Mavic? Anyways, just taking a look at that design, it definitely looks like it is going to be a drone. Anyways, let us know what you think, and geez, this is kind of exciting. We're looking forward to this. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.